But I want to go back to the community understanding that transparency, that the Bill of Rights, a lot of people don't know about the Bill of Rights, and they have 72 hours, but their profession, they are covered. They have all the protection you can imagine. But what if it was a citizen?
Oh no! I want everyone to understand this one immutable fact: when you shoot someone in the back as a citizen, you're getting arrested. It's not 72 hours. You're going to be in front of a judge in 24 hours at your arraignment. At that time, yes, your attorney can argue, well, there was, justifiable use of force, and you may get a bond. But the one thing that the case law has lined out for citizens is if a person is running from you, even if they just snatched your purse, even if they punched you and they're running from you, you're not allowed to use deadly force because they have enunciated, they have made an unequivocal announcement to you that they're no longer a violent threat. If this same rule applied in this case, Deputy Montiel would have been arrested. Once he got arrested, now he may be suspended, but he's no longer working. He's no longer out there on the beat. That is something that, again, I would love for. It's not just about black people, it's about every citizen in the state of Florida who has to deal with the Officers' Bill of Rights, that needs to change. The officers can't have more rights than the average citizen. In fact, they should have less, because officers have they're highly trained with their firearm, so we should scrutinize them even more instead of scrutinizing them less. That Officers' Bill of Rights, when I hear people talk about Blue Lives Matter and things like that, they're not being honest with the public, because we know Blue Lives Matter. We know that matters because we have these Officers' Bill of Rights. They have more rights than the suspect. They have more rights than the suspect's family. So we already know that their lives matter. We know, in the unfortunate sense of when they pass, that there's a whole lot of money that goes to the family of the slain officer, that the children get education. What about suspects? Like, why can't we have a commensurate Bill of Rights that says when it's found that the officer was not justified in killing or wounding or injuring a person, that X amount of money goes to their children and to their family? Why can't we have that? Why are we treating one set of people different from another? Because there's no lawyer's Bill of Rights. I don't have a Bill of Rights. Firefighters don't have a Bill of Rights, but we give that protection to officers when they are, not they in general, but some are the catalyst to harming the people.